No way. No way. No way!
Oh my God. Wow.
What's shaking, guys? Luke Dancy here, and I'm back with you in a brand new release. This is almost like a decade in the making. You might have heard of Chicago Opener, sometimes known as Red Hot Mama, but now you can do that with any named color. Hear that again, any named color. No force, no equivoque. They really can name any color, and that color appears in the deck, and it becomes the person's selected card. This is something I've been sitting on and working on quietly for you. And the best part is it's not a gimmick deck. This is not a one-deck wonder. You can use a regular deck before and after the trick. That's right, you're clean at the end. They can check out the deck. You can use it for any other tricks before or after this. And not only that, I've also included a very special handcrafted secret utility device, which is perfect for Spectra, but also for any other effects where you need to kind of get things into play secretly or just for storage purposes. I've got this all covered for you. So there's no palming involved. This is very easy to do. The gimmicks do all the work for you. Everything has been handcrafted for you. And I've had so much fun with this, and know that you will too. And my name is Luke Dancy, and this is Spectra.